I'm working on a letter that I want to send to each U.S. Supreme Court justice. The letter is asking them to read a book that I plan on delivering to them, each one of them, called Unfaithful Guardians. It was written by Dave Welty, constitutional authority and attorney. The letter says this: in Federal Number 78, Alexander Hamilton declared that the duty of the federal judges is to serve as the faithful guardians of the Constitution. It is clear that our founding fathers created the Constitution to serve as the foundation of our laws. A contract was created between the people and our government. What I have observed in the government recently distresses me. The contract between the people and its government has been violated. Some who have freely taken an oath to uphold and defend the Constitution are dishonoring that oath. As a veteran, an American, I ask, how can this be? How do those who profess to love this country so contort its fundamental underpinnings? A friend, attorney, and constitutional scholar has written a book titled Unfaithful Guardians. The title implies, as you might expect, that the Supreme Court has been letting us down by not being the faithful guardians of the Constitution. I've decided to provide each member of the Supreme Court this book. It is my hope and desire that I am able to personally hand each member of the Supreme Court a copy. I'd like to look into your eyes and your hearts to assess for myself the character of the persons that have so much impact on the country that I love, that I defended with my military service, that I will be leaving to my kids and grandkids. I'm told I'm crazy to expect any member of the court to meet with me. That may be so, but I believe that there are members of the court who have the character to do so. I'm asking for the opportunity to meet with you and to personally deliver your copy of this thought-provoking and well-written view of the court and the Constitution. Whether I meet with you or not, I will be delivering a copy to the court addressed to you. I'm asking that you read it and thoughtfully consider the contents. I hope and yes, I pray that it will impact your conscience and your actions in a manner that will restore the Supreme Court to the original position as the faithful guardians of our Constitution. So you might ask, why am I doing this? Well, as I sit here and watch as many of our elected officials violate their oath, the same oath that I took when I entered the military to uphold and defend the Constitution, it distresses me greatly. And so I ask myself, what can I do? Well, this is something. Am I being silly? Will the Supreme Court justices care? Will they read the book? I don't know. But at least I'll be able to look myself in the mirror and be able to sleep soundly, knowing that at least I did something. Our country is headed for disaster, as I see it. And I sincerely hope that people take some sort of action. This is the action I'm choosing to take. A peaceful protest, if you will. Hopefully, I'll reach somebody and their conscience will speak to them and there'll be a change. So I'm going to document this trip and we'll see where it goes. Come join me as we go down and visit with the Supreme Court justices.
Built to protect our U.S. officials. The top bullet.
We're getting ready to deliver this book, Unfaithful Guardians, to the Supreme Court Justice today, as I said I was going to do. And I prepared a letter for each of the justices explaining what we're doing, but somebody might ask the question, why am I doing this? People think that I'm a little crazy because what am I going to accomplish? Well, here is the reason that I'm doing this. The future of our country is far too important to not at least try something.
Okay, we're here today to deliver these books, Unfaithful Guardian, to each of the
Okay, so there we go. We're delivering these books to the Supreme Court offices, the justices, and we'll see what they have to say after they get an opportunity to look at books. We'll follow up with them in a few weeks. So that's it.